welcome back to my channel Arty Crafty. Today I'm going to show you another Valentine greeting card. Just fold your cardstock. I have taken your white, you can take pink or any color you like. And see, I have cut this 4 hearts, 1 big and 6 small. I have taken pink and red color, and these are strips, 6 strips, 1.5 by 9 centimeter, and 1 candlestick and a bow. Let's start. First, take the strips and make a fan from it. Fan fold it in this manner. Do it for all 6. Now we'll stick this. Stick all this. See, I have stick all this. This will pop up our hearts. So now we'll stick the hearts. Just apply glue and stick this hearts this manner. Take a stick, apply glue, stick it in the middle. Let it dry. Take this heart, we'll apply double side tape here in the center. Take a bow. So this is it. Write the sentiments. So here it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new uploads. See how beautiful it looks, the pop-up hearts. I hope you like my video. Thank you.